Hey dear users. Welcome to the Agilestorelocator plugin tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to add another or second drop-down filter in the Agilestorelocator plugin. We'll use a new updated method to add a drop-down filter in the Store Locator widget. So, if you are ready, let's get started with this video. In this particular tutorial, I would show you how to add a company drop-down filter through shortcode modification first. Let's edit this page and modify the Store Locator shortcode. Now let's update it. Let's view the Store Locator page now to see the new drop-down filter. Now you can see the drop-down filter. To change the All Brands name to All Companies, you'll need a Loco Translate Plugin. Let's go to the Translate Plugins dashboard. Click on the Agilestorelocator plugin. Now you have to look at your website language, if this language matches your website language. In my case, my website has a default English language, so let's select the English language. Click on it to edit. We need to replace All Brands with All Companies, so let's select the All Brands and replace it with All Companies. Let's view the page to see whether our All Brands text is replaced with All Companies or not. Here you can see the All Companies text appearing in the drop-down filter. We can also add the brands or companies names in the store list section also. To add the company names, let's go to the Agilestorelocator plugin. Select the ASL setting option. Here you can see the scores of tabs. Let's select the Customizer tab. Load your desired template. In this particular case, let's load the template 0. Let's add the filter code for the company so that it can be viewed just above the days section. Let's save the template. View the Store Locator page to see whether we've added the company name or not. Here we've successfully added the companies as well as the filter as a drop-down option on the Store Locator page. That's all from this Agilestorelocator tutorial. Stay tuned for more educational videos. Until then, goodbye.